fucking jump back it. String you on the scramble out of the ground. Never felt so good, she did beauty. Then she is the sight for your poor old ass. I'll bet you anything. Boys on their eyes, they had some trouble. Following us, but they'll never ever catch us up. Never ever catch us up. Jump back it.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more, get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at, and you find out if you do that. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. I want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight, make my day. 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 Yo, pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd are jumping. Pump
Ale koko. Sedni si na lavičku. Ne na moju nôžku. Strašne som unavený.
No, píš to?
No.
Musím ti niečo povedať.
Počúvaj, ja som...
Ja to také diskrétne.
Jaký?
Čúvaš?
O čo sa jedná? Také pekný.
Trtkávam ti ženu.
Ty si jebo. Ty si čistý jebo. Ja som o tom vedel, lebo... Chodila domov tak neskoro, tak som vedel, že... Ale že ty... Tak som prekvapil.
Ale to sa stalo, keď sme boli na tom večerku, vieš.
Vtedy... A je...
No a ona došla za mnou, že bola smutná, že ste sa
Čo?
pohádali. Že ste sa pohádali.
Jaj, to si tedy pamätám. Dej som ho rozbitý, jak jebo.
No a ja som bol opitý a vieš, jak to je, ne?
No však chápem, alkohol je
Čak otrčila mi nohy, tak čo, tak som mu vyjebal.
Jeb na to téma.
No.
Jeb. Čo polož mu ruksak, no.
Píš sa, ukáž tú mapu, že kde sme vlastne.
Dobre, no. Míňo, ukáž to.
V nejakých močariskách brazilských.
Počkaj. Vieš čo, malo by to byť tu niekde v týchto priestoroch. V týchto priestoroch.
Pozri, to bolo, že 100 metrov doprava, ne?
Hľadaj, volať, že tu by to malo byť. Miňo, ty kokot! Miňo, kokot, našiel som to do piče, čo to je?
Kudá si sa latil, do piče?
Miňo, kde to?
Kuko, tak ty ono, ne? Ukáž, otvor to.
Ty žvoďu, čo ti jebe, toto som v živote nikdy nevidel. Stojte! Našli ste to, čo som hľadal ja, dajte to sem. Nič nedostanete, chodte na piče. Hajzli!
So rich and you so flawed, niggas ain't about shit. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance I get, real talk, no shit. Every chance I get, big money on this. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance they say I'm lonely at the top, but I don't feel lonely. Got my homies out in Hollywood, so I don't feel phony. Ain't another nigga colder. ribs all over, flashing past these other rappers, catching up with Coca-Cola. I'm exceeding expectations, you barely mean quota. I get to 'em straight, you cut it with baking soda. You say I ain't zone one, nigga high, that's a funny one. I'm king like my 3-year-old, major like my youngest son. Got one name to money, so you know what I'm getting. Deja, neat, nigga, Messiah like daddy, get him. Got an angel named Leia here to keep me out of prison. And my partner Jason G to help me see about a billion. Listen, grand hustle, pay respect, and vision. Record selling about 1 million, but shit, that's just the beginning. What with Club Crucial and grand hustle film division. Multiplication to get the pay. I let the click do the division. Break bread, streetcred.com making the killing. Plus a king of oneself, high fashion, I'm flashing out. Ready for whatever though. Trained to go, you better know. Put dick up in whoever hoe. Let 'em know. I'm so raw and I'm so rich, and you so flawed, niggas ain't about shit. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance I get. Real talk, no shit. Every chance I get. Big money on this. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance I get. My lucky stars, cause I came so far. Dope game, rap game, bout the same so far. Bragging about your little Benz, nigga, they ain't no car. I got some shit in my garage that requires a chauffeur. High gas is the country award, people are starving, and I pay $1 million for Ferraris. Retarded, huh? Sorry, bro, been addicted to ballin' since I started off. Season home, get them all the fuck, cause they know I'm getting those stacked tall as fuck. No, it ain't that I'm rich that they hate so much. At least I could do it, not rub it in niggas' face so much. So I'm trying now while I'm rhyming not to brag about the island of the crib in Hawaii where all the walls slide in. House wide open, we could bring the outside in. I think you should hear about it. Fuck it, I'll be quiet. I just spit it how I live it, homie. I don't be lying. Would it make you feel better if I put my pockets on the dime? If I made less money, started to dress bummy. Would the haters and the critics have more respect for me? Should I downgrade the crib and the way I live? Nah, how about I don't? We just say I did. I'm so raw and I'm so rich, and you so flawed, niggas ain't about shit. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance I get. Real talk, no shit. Every chance I get. Big money on this. I take your broad, I can fuck your bitch. Know that I'm gon' ball every chance I get. Every chance I get. Hey, say homeboy, this real talk coming at you live and direct, homeboy. You dig that? You can hate all you want, partner. I'ma give you something to hate on, bitch, nigga. Grand hustle, you understand? DJ Took, you did your motherfucking thing as usual. Hey, look, PNC partner, Pimp Squad click. Hey, Big Country, you up next, homie. It's the king, bitch. Yeah. They say I ain't zone one. Bitch, nigga, my grandmama been living on Center Hill 43 years, hoe ass nigga.